Have you ever wondered how incredibly complex and intricate our bodies are? We are walking, talking, living masterpieces of nature, each one of us a marvel of biological engineering. The human body is a symphony of systems working together, from the tiniest cells to the largest organs, all performing a harmonious ballet of life. Today, we're going on a journey, not through space or time, but through the fascinating world of our own bodies. We're going to dive into the strange, the surprising, and the downright quirky aspects of what makes us, well, us. From the powerhouse of the brain to the rhythm of the heart, from the unseen world of our microbiome to the sturdy framework of our skeleton, and not forgetting the marvels of our eyes, we'll explore it all. So buckle up, sit back, and let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders of your own body. Did you know your brain is the most energy-consuming organ in your body? That's right. Despite accounting for only about 2% of your body weight, your brain gobbles up a whopping 20% of your body's total energy and oxygen intake. Think about that for a second. Every fifth breath you take, every fifth bite of food you eat, it's all going to power that incredible organ nestled inside your skull. It's like your brain is constantly running a marathon, and it needs all the fuel it can get to keep going. And it's not just hogging all that energy for no reason. Your brain is a veritable supercomputer, packed with approximately 86 billion neurons. Each of these neurons is a tiny powerhouse, sending and receiving signals to and from other neurons. But here's the really mind-boggling part. These neurons are interconnected by trillions of connections, synapses to be precise. To put it into perspective, that's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way. Each of these connections is part of the vast, intricate network that makes up your thoughts, your memories, your dreams, your very consciousness. So, next time you're thinking hard, remember your brain is burning a lot of energy, and it's all in service of the amazing, complex, and utterly fascinating task of being you. Ever pondered how strong your heart really is? Now, let's delve into the wonders of the heart, one of the most vital organs in the human body. This muscular powerhouse, about the size of your clenched fist, beats tirelessly, approximately 100,000 times in a single day. That's right, 100,000. Just imagine the effort it takes to maintain such a steady, rhythmic beat. It's like a drummer who never misses a beat, never gets tired, and never takes a break. This perpetual pulsing is the heart's way of pumping blood, the life-giving fluid, to every nook and cranny of your body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach the trillions of cells that make you, you. To put this into perspective, let's consider the average adult heart. Over the course of a lifetime, this tireless organ beats around 2.5 billion times. Yes, billion with a B. This is without any maintenance or tune-ups. It simply keeps on going, from the moment you're born to your very last breath. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? This small yet mighty organ, hidden within your chest, working day in and day out, without any recognition or applause. So the next time you feel your pulse, remember the incredible power and endurance of your heart. Your heart truly is a tireless worker. Are you aware that you're more bacteria than you are human? Yes, you heard that right. It's easy to forget about the invisible world within us, but it's a fact that our bodies are home to a staggering number of microscopic organisms. This unseen crowd, known as the microbiome, is composed of trillions of microbes, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Now, this might sound a little unsettling, but it's actually a good thing. These microbes are not just passive hitchhikers. They're active participants in our lives, playing vital roles in our health and well-being. Intriguingly, these microbes outnumber our own human cells by a ratio of 10 to 1. That's right, for every human cell in your body, there are 10 microbes happily coexisting and getting on with their day. This microbial community is like a bustling city, each microbe carrying out its own job. They help digest our food, regulate our immune system, protect against other bacteria that cause diseases, and produce essential vitamins. Their influence even extends to our mood and mental health. It's a symbiotic relationship where we provide them a place to live, and they help keep us healthy. But it's not just the number of microbes that's astonishing, it's also their diversity. There are thousands of different species of bacteria in the human microbiome, each with its own unique set of genes. This genetic diversity is a treasure trove for scientists who are only just beginning to understand the full extent of the microbiome's influence on our health. Despite their importance, these microbes are incredibly sensitive. Changes in diet, stress, and yes, even the overuse of antibiotics and hand sanitizers can disrupt this delicate balance, potentially leading to health problems. It's a delicate dance of coexistence that we're only just beginning to understand. So the next time you use hand sanitizer, remember you're killing some of your microscopic inhabitants. But don't worry, they're resilient little fellas. They'll bounce back soon enough, ready to resume their important work in their bustling microbial city within you. Do you know how many bones you had when you were a baby? From the moment we enter this world, our bodies embark on an impressive journey of transformation. One of the most striking changes happens within our skeletal system. Believe it or not, we're born with around 270 bones. That's right. As infants, we have more bones than a full-grown adult. But here's the plot twist. As we grow older, we don't gain bones, but instead, we lose them. By the time we reach adulthood, we have just 206 bones. If you're scratching your head wondering how that's possible, let's delve deeper. This fascinating process is all due to a phenomenon known as bone fusion. As we grow and develop, certain bones begin to merge together. For instance, the bones in our skull. At birth, our skull is made of several separate pieces. This allows for the brain to grow and expand during the first few years of life. As we mature, these pieces gradually fuse together to form a single solid skull. The same process happens with our spine. At birth, the spine consists of 33 individual vertebrae. But by adulthood, some of these vertebrae merge to form the sacrum and coccyx, leaving us with 26 vertebrae. It's remarkable how our bodies change as we grow, isn't it? Did you know that your eyes can distinguish about 10 million different colors? Quite astounding, isn't it? The human eye is a marvel of nature, incredibly sensitive and capable of distinguishing minute variations in color. Our eyes are like the world's most advanced camera, capturing the world in vivid detail and a dazzling array of hues. From the soft pastels of a spring morning to the vibrant, fiery reds and oranges of a sunset, our eyes take it all in, processing millions of colors and shades to create the beautiful images we see every day. Not only are our eyes powerful color detectors, but they are also remarkably consistent in size throughout our lives. That's right. Unlike our ears and noses, which continue to grow throughout our lives, our eyes remain the same size from the moment we are born. Imagine being a newborn and seeing the world through adult-sized eyes. It's quite a thought, isn't it? So the next time you're admiring a colorful painting, watching a breathtaking sunrise, or even just looking at the world around you, take a moment to appreciate your amazing eyes. They are working tirelessly, capturing and processing an incredible amount of information, all to bring the colorful world around us to life. Isn't it wonderful how our eyes allow us to perceive the world in all its colorful glory? Isn't the human body fascinating? It's like an intricate machine filled with parts that work seamlessly together. Let's take a quick journey back through the most surprising facts we've covered in this video. Our brain, the command center of our body, consumes 20% of our energy, despite only accounting for 2% of our body weight. Next, our heart, the tireless hero, beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping blood to every corner of our body without a break. Let's not forget about the unseen heroes, our microbiome. These tiny organisms outnumber our human cells, playing a crucial role in our health and well-being. Our skeleton, the framework of our body, completely regenerates itself every 7 to 10 years. And finally, our eyes, our windows to the world, can distinguish about 1 million colors. Remember, your body is a wonderland of incredible, quirky facts. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay amazed.